Indian Mahasiddha scholar Naropa was a prominent Indian scholar of Nalanda University and became one of the most well-known abbots of the time. And in Indian Mahasiddha, Naropa's instructions informed the secret mantra Vajrayan. He received the Mahamudra and the Tantra teachings from his guru Tilopa and practiced yogic in different places. The 6 ornaments have been passed down through the unbroken lineage of the successive reincarnations of His Holiness, the Galwang Drukpa, remaining a treasured legacy of the Drukpa tradition and its timeless spiritual heritage. By the boundless grace of His Holiness, the Galwang Drukpa, the people of Himalayan region were blessed to receive the sacred blessings of the 6 ornaments. This year, once again, devotees and the Kunu Drukpa Kagyud lineage, a rare and blessed opportunity returns. From the 27th to the 29th of August, under the divine guidance of His Holiness, the 12th Galwang Drukpa Jigmet Padma Wangchen, a 3-day Grand Dharma sermon will be held in the holy village of Nako in Kinnaur, Himachal Pradesh. During this sacred gathering, devotees will be graced once more with the precious opportunity to receive the blessing of the revered Naropa. Pilgrims and spiritual seekers from all corners are warmly invited. Nako is accessible from Leh via the Keelong Kaza route and by road from Delhi via Shimla. Nearest airports are Shimla Chandigarh and railway station is Kalka. Kindly make a note of the dates and the venue. 27th to 29th August, Nako Village, District Kinnaur, Himachal Pradesh.